Hello guys, I am Pashasha. I will be doing a complete review of my laptop Dell G3 3500 gaming laptop. I will be showing the external parts as well as the internal specifications. So hang on, I know you are very much excited to see these specifications of this new laptop. So I won't take much of your time. So yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, so let's move on first to the external case of this laptop, which is a matte plastic and it's very robust. Dell has given design in the form of three columns and a logo in the center, which is very shining. It's a great robust design of the plastic. Um, Now we move on to the back side of this Dell gaming laptop. We get a gorgeous logo of G3 laptop from Dell. Along with that, we are surrounded with the striped design, which is also a very unique design from Dell. We also get five to six speakers on the back side of the laptop, which makes it sound very clear. And also we get two speakers on the side, one and two. So these are also the great speakers, so that we can the sound does not get unclear. We also get the design of stripes, blue stripes, which helps the laptop from not sliding down from the table. Now let's see the ports on the right side of this laptop. First we can see a lock port, then we can see two USB 2.0 ports, then we see a headphone jack, along with that we see a SD card reader. Let me show you the ports on the left side of this laptop. First is the power jack where we plug in the charger. Next is HDMI port. Next is USB power share 3.2 port, and along with that we also get RJ45 port. I know you are very excited to see how this laptop looks from inside. So this is the way how it looks. First let us move on to the keyboard of this laptop. This is the backlit keyboard we get in this laptop with uh, along with touchpad, which is made of plastic. We also get one fingerprint reader there to authenticate the user. The keyboard is very light and it's made of plastic, but it's very robust. It looks very great. Along with that, these are the features we can see here. 120 hertz display we get, 15.6 inch thermal cooling, game shift technology, Nvidia's graphics card, and gaming lab. Now let us see the display of this laptop. This is 120 hertz display, anti-glare, 240 nits display, which looks very nice. Along with that, we also get one webcam here.
So now let me show you the internal features of this laptop, that is the internal specifications. So now we move on to the task manager. This is the CPU settings which we can see. We get Intel Core i5-10300H CPU, whose base speed is 2.5 gigahertz, and the maximum speed which can go is around 4 gigahertz. We get one sockets, 4 cores, 8 logical processors, and 3 cache of 256 KB, 1 MB, and 8 MB. Next, we move on to the memory. So I upgraded my RAM to 16 GB from 8 GB from the dealer itself. The speed of the RAM is 2667 megahertz. Hardware reserved is 206 MB. Form factor is SODIMM. Next, we move on to the disk. This laptop comes with 1 TB hard disk, Toshiba MQ048AB1500. So this is the hybrid setup we get in this laptop. That is 256 GB SSD and 1 TB hard disk. The GPU we get, one GPU is GPU 0 Intel R Ultra HD graphics, and second GPU we get is Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. Now let's move on to the device manager to see other specifications. We also get biometric devices like Goodis fingerprint scanner in this laptop. We have integrated webcam, WDC 256 GB SSD and 1 TB HDD, two graphics card, standard PS2 and HID keyboards, PS2 and HID compliant mouse, generic PNP monitors, processors Intel Core i5 10300H, sound, video, and game controllers Intel R display audio, NVIDIA audio device, Realtek audio, and at the end we get universal serial bus controllers USB 3.0 and USB 2. So this laptop's gaming performance is very great. We get very smooth experience, no frame lags, very less heating issues. So at the end I just want to say that this is a proper laptop to buy. Also, if you want to check more specifications, I have written a complete blog on this laptop about all complete specifications and is it value to buy or not. And at the end, I will just like to tell you the price of this laptop which I bought. I bought it at the price of 76,000, and for the RAM upgradation, it took 4,000. So around total, it got around 80,000 to get this laptop. So it is clearly a value for money. If you are a software engineer or other tech professional, if you work in 3D graphics animation field, this laptop will be great for you. Very great performance and very smooth performance. I have kept the complete blog of this video in the description of this video. You can check it out. Also, if you have any questions, please comment down. And if you like this gaming laptop and its review and its complete review, like I have done the complete external and internal review, if you like it, please share it with your friends and other relatives so that they can just get the advantage of buying this laptop at such a budget price.